Mistake number 2 is trying to be the real programmer with capital R and capital P. So you see everyone creating these microservices and developing and building and having Docker take care of something and Kubernetes take care of something else and creating CI/CD pipelines to have it all wrangled up together. And you look at all of this and think, okay, I need to learn this. I need to know what they are talking about. I need to be familiar with this. I just need to watch everything about this in order to learn it. No, you don't. You're not hired or waiting to be hired to build apps. You're hired or waiting to be hired to test them, to actually understand them. And over-engineering tests almost always leads to bad things because it just overly complicates the code base. It obfuscates the real meaning behind the test. You can introduce way more problems by introducing complexity within the code base of the test than you can actually solve. So over-fixating on the knowledge you need to get in order to become the real programmer with the copyright mark after that, it just makes you dig yourself into a deeper and deeper hole until you cannot actually get out of it instead of progressing, instead of steadily moving forward. Knowing code is important, of course, but understanding quality is your superpower that you should focus on because introducing too much fancy stuff just makes your code harder to read, understand, fix and maintain. So that is not the way to go, obviously. If you need a good litmus test for whether you are not over-engineering, if your tests need a freaking Kubernetes setup in order to run, then maybe you are not actually testing anything. Maybe you are developing it. So focus on test value. Learn enough to be dangerous, but not enough to rewrite the freaking backend of the application you're testing. Mistake number 3 is automating manual tests step by step. So taking all of it too literally.